We'll guide you through how to make random pattern in Corel Draw. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Corel Draw on your computer. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar so you can create the main base shape for the pattern. Click and drag on the canvas while holding the Ctrl key to draw a perfect rectangle with equal proportions. After the rectangle is created, select it and adjust the object size, for example by setting the width and height to 300 millimeters to ensure consistent dimensions. Next, create pattern objects based on your needs, using simple shapes that fit your design idea. All objects can be created using the Rectangle Tool, Ellipse Tool, Polygon Tool, Star Tool, Common Shape Tool, Spiral Tool, and Freehand Tool to add variety. Arrange these objects randomly inside the rectangle, duplicate them if needed, and apply colors as required to create visual interest. Once finished, select all objects except the rectangle and move them slightly toward the top left corner to prepare for alignment. Click Window from the top menu, then select Dockers and choose Transform to display the transform docker. Select the objects that extend beyond the left edge of the rectangle so they can be repositioned correctly. In the transform docker, change the position reference to right center. Set the X value, for example, to 300 millimeters. Then set copies to 1 and click Apply to duplicate the objects across the boundary. Next, select the objects that extend beyond the top edge of the rectangle. Change the position reference to bottom center in the transform docker. Set the Y value, for example, to -300 millimeters. Then set copies to 1 and click Apply. Select all objects except the rectangle. Then right-click, choose PowerClip Inside, and click on the rectangle to place the pattern inside it. Duplicate the objects using the transform docker to expand the pattern area. Set the position reference to right center and change the X value, for example, to 300 millimeters. Set copies according to your needs and click Apply. Select all duplicated objects, then change the position reference to bottom center. Set the Y value, for example, to -300 millimeters, and set copies according to your needs before clicking Apply. Select all objects and set the outline width to none to complete a clean, seamless pattern result. Review the final layout carefully to ensure alignment, color balance, and seamless repetition across the pattern.